Hi everyone, it's Justin here from Social Interactions. Just want to take a couple of quick minutes to talk to you about three main reasons that you should be backing up your computers in the office. First one being that computers are unreliable. Hard drives die, computers die, they all have a lifespan. Now, if you have some sort of hardware monitoring in place, you should be able to pick up when a hard drive is about to fail before it actually happens. But you still need somewhere to, or you still need to be able to restore what's on that hard drive from somewhere else. So backing up is the best way to be able to do that, and having a current backup of your computers is the best way to be able to do that. And before I go any further, I should probably just clarify that by backing up, I mean somewhere off-site, and I'll get to that in a minute as to why. The second reason is because humans are unreliable. Some people will say, okay, well, I take a backup and it's on a USB drive and I take that home, or that's kept separate, or it's on me all the time and what have you. And the reality is that all it will take is for you to put that USB hard drive in a bag, or someone in the office to put that USB hard drive in a bag, or leave it on the front seat of their car, or what have you, and that USB drive is gone and you've lost your data. So number one reason, computers are unreliable. Number two reason, people are unreliable. Number three reason falls into the category of stuff happens. Call it force majeure even. Things like offices burn down, offices get broken into. So if you've got a backup on site, that's all well and good. But if someone breaks into the office, or the office burns down, then you've still lost the information. You've possibly lost all the data on the computers themselves, and you've possibly lost that backup as well. So when I talk about backups, I mean a backup off-site with a service like Code 42 CrashPlan, who can keep your backups not only on a server in your office, but also encrypted in the cloud somewhere where only you have access to them and you can manage them. So if you haven't started backing up your computers in the office for cost reasons or whatever, just have a think to yourself about what your data is actually worth and what it would be worth to you if you lost it. Be that sales proposals, be that patient information, be that graphic designs or artwork or videos or what have you that you use that are critical to your business. What are they actually worth to you, and is it worth the extra cash to have a backup service that runs all the time to ensure that if one of those three scenarios did happen, the computer breaks down, a laptop gets lost or stolen, or a hard drive gets lost or stolen, or heaven forbid something happened to the office whereby your computers are compromised. Ask yourself, is it worth it not to have backups? If you haven't already seen it, I've done a blog post. I'll put a link to it in the notes below. Have a look at it. Goes through how you can use built-in features in Windows or Mac to do a backup to a drive, to a network location, to a USB drive. Take a look at that. Very simple to set up. And if you'd like to have a talk about organizing a backup using a service like Code 42 CrashPlan, then get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, leave them in the notes below, and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Thanks everyone. This is Justin from Social Interactions. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.